Hey everyone, you're with Tesla Tom. Thanks for joining me today on my YouTube channel. We are going through software update 2021.44.6 in our Tesla Model 3 Performance here in Sydney, Australia. Let's get straight into the release notes. So 2021.44.6 per se just has minor fixes, miscellaneous improvements. This release contains minor bug fixes and improvements, but what I'll do is actually go through 2021.44.5 as well. So first thing is Tesla tutorials, vehicle education. This is really good for new owners and also I guess more experienced owners like myself. We can do a bit of revision as well with this feature. Tesla tutorials. Learn more about your car with step-by-step video tutorials. To access, tap the application launcher, theater, Tesla tutorials when parked. Let's go check that out right now. Let's go to theater. There we go, Tesla tutorials. And I guess this works best with Wi-Fi connection. So let's have a look at software updates. There you go, there's a 2-minute video on software updates. So you can go through all these videos in your own time. Of course, they're actually quite useful, and I certainly do recommend going through them one by one as a new owner.
In fact, the learning never ends.
The second thing is driver door unlock mode. Driver door unlock mode. Unlock only the driver door when approaching the vehicle by tapping controls, locks, driver door unlock mode. So let's check that out. Controls. Let's go to locks up here. If I scroll down, we've got a new option here for driver door unlock mode. Only unlock the driver door when first unlocking the vehicle. So I guess if you drive this car a lot by yourself, if this is your primary vehicle and you don't really ferry other passengers too often, you can select this driver door unlock mode, and that way only your door opens when you approach the vehicle. I guess if you're like me and I drive this often with the family, then it may not be as useful because you want all the doors to unlock so that everybody can access their own door at the same time. And the final feature is driver profiles. Each driver profile will now have its own individual work and home address. To update, select your profile, tap navigation, and long press either work or home. So that's actually quite a handy feature to have if you've got multiple people driving the same car. Alright, so the last thing I want to do is go for an autopilot test drive today to round up this software update video. So just to let you know, I've got the FSD package here in Australia. We've got auto steer beta, navigate on autopilot, traffic light and stop sign control, full self-driving visualization preview, summon beta. For offset I've got 0, so basically it follows very closely to the speed limit. We've got display for speed limit warning. I have it on late forward collision warning to reduce the chance of phantom braking. I also turn off lane departure avoidance as well. We've got emergency lane departure avoidance, automatic emergency braking, obstacle aware acceleration, traffic aware cruise control chime, green traffic light chime, and also blind spot collision warning chime on as well. Alright, let's go hit the road for an autopilot test drive. See you soon. Alright everyone, we're on the open road. About to start our autopilot test drive. Just want to get into the left lane first to start with. Go. Just normal driving. Alright. So to engage autopilot, right stalk, double tap down. Should match the speed limit, which it does. That's your speed, or that's your max speed that the car will go at. That red one is the posted speed sign. And see that car merging into my lane, and our Tesla appropriately slows down, which is nice. Now I want this car to go left on this fork. Let's try to influence it a little bit. Let's see what happens. Let's see, does it go left? Yes, it does. That's nice. I was holding onto the wheel. Whether that influenced it, I'm not sure, but that's the direction I wanted to go. So I might just tap the right stalk down to clear this traffic light. It still wants to slow down and stop at a green. At this stage, if you're the first car, if you're second and subsequent cars, then it'll continue through the light. So we've got the 2 tram tracks like that. That's basic autopilot auto steer, which all Teslas come with these days. We'll see whether we can test automatic lane change. We've got a double lane road. and that's included with FSD package. Sometimes it does that. Okay, we might, yeah, it still changes lane, even though we're in the filter lane. That's interesting. But we want to turn right in this right lane. So that was interesting. I don't think I've ever tested that before, where there's a double filter lane turning right, and I indicated right, and it still changed into the right most filter lane to turn right. There you go. I learned something new today. Okay, so I just turned autopilot off then, because it still doesn't turn at this stage for FSD package yet. I might just turn it off for now because there are merging cars. But once this blue car merges ahead of me, I will put it back on. Okay, so we're in single lane at the moment. This should be a good test. Okay, let's pop autopilot back on. Let's see what happens. So, autopilot, wave to the Tesla. Hands on the wheel, eyes on the road. Not fully autonomous yet by any means, so yes, safety first, everyone. Beautiful day in Sydney, blue skies. Good day for driving. Good day to test autopilot. So this is a nice straight road on the Wakehurst Parkway, heading city-bound. What I might do is put on the cameras for you guys. There you go. You can actually do this as well, so this camera button does the same thing. Got the side repeaters and the rear vision camera. No front camera. I have heard rumours that the holiday update 44.25 coming up very soon, which of course I will bring to you on this channel, will have the blind spot repeaters come on when you indicate, which is pretty cool. They already have that on some cars, like the Ioniq 5 for example, but it'd be nice to have this feature as well for the Tesla Model 3. I wonder where they'll put this camera for the blind spot indicator cameras. So will they have it like here on the map, or maybe here, or will they bring up the whole camera display like that? That'll be interesting. I'm looking forward to seeing that. Oh, that truck flashed, which means there's probably a police car up ahead. So of course we will stick to the speed limit like we always do, of course, on our tests. Let's see if this is true to that truck's word with the flashing light. Means there is a police car up ahead, probably clocking everyone's speed. Let's see what happens. And look, basic autopilot actually works pretty well with a whole line of cars like this. Works well with traffic. Let's see. Nope, that's not a police car. That is just mangoes for sale, I think. You guys might see that very soon. Yep, $10 mangoes. $10 a tray. I wonder how many in a tray. Kensington Pride mangoes, the big ones. That's pretty good value, I guess. But I guess it depends on how many in a tray, I suppose. All right, so if you want to match the speed limit, see that 60? It'll pop down to 60 automatically. That's nice. It does follow the speed limit if you start it at a higher speed limit on a single lane road. So because I started at 80, it'll drop down to 60 automatically as the top speed, as the max speed. It doesn't go the other way around. So if the speed limit on this road were to go back to 80, it wouldn't do that, just because that's the way it is. It'll drop down from the original autopilot setting, but it won't go back up. Just a safety thing, I guess. Let's see how it rounds this curve. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Haven't seen the police car yet, despite that truck flashing us. Maybe there's another obstruction. We'll see. So this Wakehurst Parkway Road brings us from Frenchs Forest all the way down to Seaforth, and eventually onto the Spit Bridge, I guess. If you turn right, that will get you down to Mossman, and on the way to the city. Well, I think it's been a pretty good test, everyone. Oh no, there it is. Is that the speed camera? No, that's not a speed camera, is it? Oh, maybe it is. There you go, it is a speed camera. Truck was right. Now they've got the flashing ahead above the those mobile speed camera cars. So that's new. That used to get people because they used to just sit there. But now they've got the warning lights above the mobile speed cameras. That's good. I guess that's good for us New South Wales drivers. Got a bit of a warning for those speed camera vehicles. Alright everyone, that's pretty much it for this update. 44.6. This car ahead of me is doing something odd. But yeah, that's it for today. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that video. If you've spotted anything at all that I might have missed in this software update video or in the Autopilot drive, then let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, stay safe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you with the next one. Happy charging.